Hey ready people, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of doing like a whole closet revamp type of thing. Don't mind me, I look super crazy. I have no makeup on, I just have eyebrows on. And my hair is like 2 days old. Curls, it look cute or whatever. I am doing a closet revamp. I have a lot of clothes. Some of you may not know this, but like I work in retail my whole working life pretty much, so that means I was getting endless discounts, especially the store I started working in. It was a $10 or less store, so I was getting shit for mad cheap, like cheaper than meals, like $10 or less, plus I got a discount on top of that. Sometimes I go a little overboard, and it's something I realized with time that yeah, I don't need this, like, and I didn't need this. Like, I've been seeing some things in my closet that has tags on it still, and I'm like, why did I even buy this to begin with? And I'm like, I didn't even wear it, so like, why didn't I get rid of it, sell it, or why did I even buy it in the first place? Like, today I'm off from work, so I decided to use this beautiful Saturday day to do some refreshing, you know, some reorganizing, to get my mood back in check, because I haven't been feeling like myself lately, and I feel like a part of that has to do with my room being a mess. My closet also fell down on me the other day, like everything at the top tumbled down, and with that happening, I just put everything on my bed. So I had like a whole mountain of clothes just chilling on my bed for like a good month now, and it's just ridiculous. Like, you know, I'm literally not sleeping properly, or like I'm sacrificing my body space on my bed because of my clothes. So I'm just like, it's about time to get rid of this. Yeah, I got some extra buckets to put like larger sweaters and articles in there. I'm gonna clear out some stuff that I really don't need, because I feel like I do a lot of hoarding as well. Because I just feel like if I have something, like in the past, I just felt like if I have this piece, maybe I might not wear it now, but later on in life, I'm gonna see a fashion trend pop up, or like I'm gonna want it for an outfit idea, and I'm gonna be really sad because I don't got it no more. So I might as well just keep it, right? So that's what's up. Don't mind my mannequin head in the corner there, looking mad weird, but you know, it is what it is. I've been working on it for like about an hour now. So this is in my bathroom. I really don't have that much space in my room, so right now I have this bin in here from the time, and it was just filled with a lot of stuff that I really don't use on a regular basis. I didn't even know half the stuff was in here until I just went in here. Like my old school uniform from high school, uniform that I used in college for culinary cooking classes, dance uniform, like old outfits for traditional African weddings and stuff. I'm not African, by the way. I just have like a lot of African people in my circle. As of right now, I just kind of organized everything into different piles. And there's another one over here. Different piles of like what I'm gonna get rid of, what has tags on it still, garbage, bathing suits, and like traditional wear, and like some pieces that I think I would be able to style again, and some like thicker sweaters are back there, so I'm gonna put those in here. And let me show you guys my room, because I also started on that. My closet currently looks like this. It's disgusting, I know. My shoes, like every day I usually wear a different pair of shoes. I usually wear a different pair of shoes every day, and like I don't really plan my outfits in the daytime or like in the night before. So in the daytime, or like hour before when I'm getting ready for work, I usually just rummage through whatever I have like real quick, and I don't end up putting back boxes, which is not a good habit, because that's how mess builds up. So that's what's up. This is what happens throughout the week. So now that it's Saturday, I'm here to clean it and to make it all good again. This is also my rack that I keep all my jackets on. kind of packed, as you can see. Some of my purses, like my statement purses, are here as well. There's not really a lot of space on here. Half these hangers are doubled up, to be honest. And then I have like some belts and scarves over there. In my closet, I have this organizer that I put for all my jeans. I have like over 30 pairs of jeans. I don't know if that's too many jeans for one person or if that's like regular, but I really like jeans. I usually wear jeans like every day. I'm not really a sweatpants person. I'm just recently trying to get into wearing sweatpants, so my collection is kind of growing. This is what happened to my closet. It's been like this for, I want to say, like a good month or two, to be honest. I just gave up on it because like every time I fold it really neatly, obviously I worked in retail so I could fold pretty good. It's just too much stuff for such a small space, and it's just not working with me, you know? And I hung up everything here, like my dress pants, all here, and then it goes to like dresses, skirts. Then we move over to blazers, button downs, and then it goes into more casual wear to sweaters and knits. Also have like hats up here with more sweaters that are supposed to be up there. But that's like a little tour of my closet. And then underneath my rack, I have like all my heels and boots down there. It also needs a revamp because it's looking kind of messy. I have like all my sunglasses. I'm missing a few right now, but this is where I usually keep all my sunglasses. I have a really big collection. I really love sunnies because it's just a cute accessory piece to throw on with a casual outfit, or even to just make your outfit better, you know? So I just added a little section there for that. And this is currently my bed. Yes, this is where I sleep. However, this is looking better than how it was before, because there was a huge, all this clothes was like in a huge pile over there, and I would literally just sleep like couched on the bed. So I'm just trying to fold it up, organize it between like sweaters, jeans, dirty clothes, because sometimes I take off my clothes, I literally just throw it there. Yeah, that's not the right thing to do, but you know, when you finish a long day of work, you just want to rip off your clothes and just throw on your robe and be comfy. That's what's up. This is also another clothing rack I have, which has something on it that doesn't belong. But this rack literally has all my black items that I own in my life, because I'm not a person who wears a lot of black clothing. So I got a job at a restaurant, and I was a hostess there, and the uniform was to wear all black. And with me being me, I have so much clothes, but I didn't really have black because I like to wear color in my wardrobe. Plus, I didn't want to wear the same piece of black shirt, piece of black pants to work. So I obviously went shopping for black items that was work appropriate and that I could wear to work. So that's what happened here. I ended up getting a whole rack just to organize it, so it's easier for when I do go to work. I could just choose from here instead of like rummaging through my closet to find something to wear to my hosting job. There's also some jackets back here, some blazers, some black trousers, and yeah. And there's also another rack down here that I put more shoes. I usually put my statement pieces here just because my door is facing this way, so you could see when you come in like all my shoes that are here, opposed to the other rack that I have back there that has like more kind of like basics. So that's what happened. This needs to be organized as well. This is literally laundry from a month ago that was cleaned. I just never fold it. I have 2 baskets here and they're just chilling. Like, I hate doing laundry. I love buying clothes, I love wearing clothes, but I really hate doing laundry. So when I do laundry, it takes me like a whole 2 days to actually complete my laundry. Then to even fold it, that's a whole nother issue. When it's folded, it's even a whole other process to get it packed out because the space issue, as I mentioned. I'm here today to show you guys a revamp of how I'm going to clean my closet. Oh my god, my hand's probably so shaky right now. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm here to show you guys a revamp of how I'm going to clean my closet and what tools I use and ideas, tricks, and tips, you know? We're currently at Walmart looking for bins for my closet clean out. And I found a couple. This one's like big. I have one of these at home already, but it's full. Can't even open it. See? It's pretty big. And it's like $15. So it's probably the more reasonable one. Let me show you guys the other ones. So these are the other options that they have. I was gonna get one that's like this, that I could push under my bed, but I have one already. Wait. But I just don't think it's gonna hold a lot. Like, you know, I have so much clothes. This could probably hold like 5 sweaters max, which is why I'm like, I don't really want it. I don't remember where I got the other one from. And they have these clear ones. I kind of preferred the clearer one just because I think it looks nicer and I could see, but whatever. And I kind of wanted these ones for my bathroom to put like my wigs, my hair stuff in it, like my hair extensions and whatever. But I don't know how much these are. Maybe I'll leave that for another day, or I'll check Amazon first. But yeah, I don't remember what now. Closet revamping. It kind of took some time, which is why I look way different now compared to when I did when I started the video. But I just wanted to show you guys like an update on how everything went. I have these little storage things. This is what I keep my wigs, my extension, my ponytails, like some hair products in for the meantime, until like I actually look into those bins that I was showing you guys previously at Walmart, like the clear ones. Then I have, this is the second bin I got at Walmart, and I just packed all my sweaters like really neat in here, like my chunky sweaters or like my fashion sweaters that I don't really wear on a daily basis. It's more like for my winter sweaters. So I packed that in there, along with another bin down here. This bin has like miscellaneous items, like the uniform stuff that I previously spoke about. Just gonna keep everything in there for now. Okay, so for my closet, I cleaned it out. It got a little messy between the days. However, these are like all my jeans that I have here. Then I also organized my shoes, so it's like way neater. And as I mentioned before, I organized my closet by pants, then like 2 pieces, then blazers over there, and then so on and so forth. I'll show you guys in a sec. A good organization tip is also to use the same type of hangers in your closet. I like to use these black hangers just because it's not as thick at the hooks, so it doesn't take up so much space. Whereas if you use like the ones that are like white, the white hangers, those are way thicker, or like the wood hangers. I have wooden hangers, however, I just use it for my like racks, not for my actual closet, because those take up like 3-4 times more of the space. Then I also folded, these are my everyday sweaters, I put over there. So there's like way more space, and my sweatpants are also over there. Then I have like my hats here and my sweaters, some more sweaters, some flannel tops and whatever. And then down here, my shoes here still need to get organized. Here's looking a little more decent compared to last time you saw it. My sunglasses section here is a little bit more organized. I try to organize them based off of like my clear lens, and then like statement glasses, and then like sunglasses, but I need more holders in order to get it the way I like it. Then for my all black stuff, I got it all sorted out here. It could be a little bit more neater, I'm not gonna lie, but it looks way better than it did before. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like videos like this where I like revamp my closet or show you guys organizational tips with your wardrobe, please leave a comment below, like, comment, subscribe to other party people you know. And until next time, party people, adios.